friends, welcome to my channel Fanciful Nancy. In this Plan With Me video, I'm going to do an October spread with a sticker kit that I got from Lynner Designs, and a little bit of washi tape as usual. If you've watched my other planner videos, you know that I always start with laying down washi tape. This purple tape, I think it came from Michael's maybe, but it seems to be kind of horrible. It's really hard to rip and tear, and my Target gift card isn't even working to cut it today. But I'm gonna persevere. It's the only purple tape I have, and I don't have too much that will actually go with these darker, like jewel tone kind of colors from this sticker kit. If you watched my September Plan With Me video, you know that I really just used a bunch of scraps and different stickers that I had lying around and a lot of washi tape, and it turned out really cool, but it took a really long time. And as we approach the holidays, I have less and less free time to do things like that, so I decided to go and get some more sticker kits. I kind of went a little crazy because I discovered that I can actually print some sticker kits at home and have them cut with my Cricut. So I got a lot of stickers, and if you want to see everything that I got, I am going to post a link to a sticker haul video. So I am going to have to get a little creative because these stickers are sized for the Happy Planner. And I have a Recollections goal planning notebook, and it is a really weird size. I really like it, but no sticker kit really fits it exactly. So I am making do here, and I am covering up the pastel elements that are in the planner because that definitely will not go with the lovely Halloween witchy colors that we have for October. And at this point in the game, I thought gold was going to work best with this layout, so I am using my big metallic gold marker that I got in my Stationery Muse subscription box in August. I always think that I'm done with the washi tape, and then I never am. I always come back and add more before the end. I actually decided to add this one because I wanted to use these little like maroon bow strips from the sticker kit, and they were not going to be quite wide enough to fill the space, and it just looked kind of awkward, so I thought the black behind it made it look a little bit better. And again, with the weird sizes, it didn't fit all the way across the bottom of the page, so I am adding this cute little witch to fill that little awkward area. Now I'm going to take the old pastel stickers that I used and try to replace them, but first I am going to cover the numbers that I just hand wrote sloppily at the beginning of the year. And something that I realized that I did was I wrote the day, like the dates, on the wrong day of the week. So for whatever reason, I started with the first on Sunday, and that is not right. So when I cover the pastel days of the week, I'm going to have to move them around and awkwardly start in the middle of the week. I don't know why, but there is always something weird that happens each month when I plan that I just am not a good planner, and I didn't get it right. But it's okay, I am not deterred by my mistake, and I can easily fix it. I am going to cover my little pastel days of the week with these pretty jewel tone glitter stickers like it never happened. Does anybody else make mistakes like this when they're planning, or is it just me? It's probably just me. I feel like everybody that I watch on YouTube is so incredibly organized. This doesn't seem like something that they would do. But comment down below. So I have some washi tape. Again, I think it came from Michael's, and it has the days of the week. It is a really thin, really small font, and I have a Hobonichi that I use that I carry with me during the day. So I actually got it thinking I would use it in that, but I've ended up using it in this planner several times. So I am putting that down and correcting my mistake, and you never knew that I wrote my dates in the wrong spot. So things were looking cute, but pretty bare at this point, so I am going to start filling the blank boxes with these super cute stickers. And I talk about this more in my sticker haul video, but the seller on Etsy that I bought these from, Lynner Designs, gives tons of stickers in her kits. It is a crazy good deal for what you pay for them, and this one kit probably has enough stickers for me to use, I mean, maybe all month, definitely 2 to 3 weeks. Now I'm using more icon stickers and reminder stickers just to kind of help me plan my week and stay organized. Things like paying bills, when I want to prep meals, get groceries, trash day, things like that. I typically do that every month, but this month I am being extra careful to put it on the right day because my week starts with Thursday this time. So I am deviating away from the sticker kit a little bit with these stickers. These are my icon stickers that I make with stamps, and I will post a link to the video where I show how to make these. You can watercolor some to match any color combination, and that's usually what I end up using for things like trash, where there's only like 1 or 2 of those in a sticker kit and I need one for every week. I've talked about this before, but often the margins I like to put like my goals for the month. I usually pick a few key achievable goals that I want to work towards, and then I also put little reminders for Rachel Hollis's 5 to Thrive, and then I put these little stickers to kind of remind me of what I'm doing. So there's one about hydration, so I've got the little water bottle. There's something that you're trying to cut out of your diet for 30 days, like something unhealthy. So I am trying to cut back on coffee. I definitely don't cut it out every day, but I have my little coffee cup as a reminder. You're supposed to wake up an hour earlier to have some time for yourself. That's another one I really struggle with, but I have the little phone for that. You want to move 30 minutes every day, so I've got these little weights, and then write down 5 things that you're grateful for. And that sticker is kind of a hard one, so I have this little meditate sticker, and these are all from Lynner Designs sticker kit. So as I'm filling things out and writing things down, I'm really happy because I have this wine-colored pen from Jet Pens that match the color of the stickers perfectly, but as I'm using my gold marker on some of those darker stickers to write reminders, it is not showing up very well. And that is not just how the camera filmed that, like you can't see what I wrote in real life either. Later on when I finish writing things in, I actually use a silver gel pen from a set that I got on Amazon, and that ended up showing up much better on the dark stickers. So even though my marker worked well on the monthly purple and orange for October, it just didn't work very good on the darker stickers. So I do recommend kind of trying a couple different inks on your stickers before you get going with the whole layout. Not that the silver and the gold necessarily looks bad together, but there are definitely some stickers that would have been a lot easier to read if I had tested it out on a couple of small stickers beforehand. Probably the most powerful thing about doing a plan with me video is that it really gets me to focus on both the month before and reflecting on what I've done and what I want to accomplish in the month ahead. And I think that writing your goals down is one of the most powerful things that you can do when you're planning. And here I'm just adding a quote from Hocus Pocus because, hey, it is October and I am in a very spooky mood. But now I am all done with my October layout. I think it turned out great. I love this so much. If you enjoyed watching me set up my planner, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you all have a good October. I'll see you next time, guys.